Today we're going to learn how to make an origami fortune teller. You know, all those things that we made as a child and wrote something in it and then, opened it and closed it and you got them to choose a number or a color or something like that, and then that would be their answer. Well, one of those. Let's learn how to make those if you don't already know how. So you want to start off with a square sheet of paper. Before that, you're going to take a full sheet, just like this, and you're going to fold it. Just like that. Nice and even. You want it nice and even right to a point. The more even you have it, the better your stuff's going to turn out. You want to get an adult to help you if you're a child. You want to take and you want to cut all the way along here and cut off this excess. So you want to cut. Whoops. There. Cut that off. When you do that, you end up with a square sheet of paper. I've already done this ahead of time, just to make things easier. Now that you got a square sheet of paper, you want to fold it in half, nice and even. Fold it in half. And then you want to take and unfold it. Then you want to fold the bottom up to the top. Then you'll have a crease down the center going both ways. Then you want to take the bottom right corner and fold it right up, and you're going to do this to every corner. Fold it up. Fold it up. And fold it up. All four corners. And you want to flip the paper over to the other side. Just pressing extra hard on the lines to make sure that they're nice and creased and held good. And then you want to take, got that side folded, you flip it over, and you want to take and fold that to that center point. And do that to all four corners. Doesn't have to be perfect. There, just like that. You want to make sure it's this way, and you want to fold it in half. And then unfold it. After you got it nice and creased, then unfold it. And you want to take it the other way and fold it in half. And make sure it's nice and creased. And then it should look like this. Now we're going to flip it over to the other side. And we're going to open all the flaps. We're going to take and kind of open them. When you open them, the other side of it will kind of fold inwards. So open each flap and kind of just hold it. Take your fingers all on one hand, and you want to take and push in on the center and open each flap. There. Now you got like a little, should look like that now. You stick your fingers in it. And you got your completed fortune teller. Now here, you can take it and let's do this. We'll go green, blue, red. So how's that going to be? So it's going to be angled. Okay, so we're going to stick it red. I'm just sticking it on an angle so it looks more even when you open it up. I know my writing's a little messy. And let's see. We'll do, we're going to do orange. Okay. And now flip it over. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. You don't have to follow the colors. I'm just, to keep it even, I'm putting the color underneath, but you don't have to do that. And we're going to take, 5 and 6. And then we're going to take in, 7 and 8. And then you can take and write like yes, no, maybe, let's see, not, now, tomorrow, someday, and what else? Possibly. Whoops. Helps if I spell it right. Jeez. I know. It's not spelled right and it's really messy. Drill me in the comments below. Too late. There you go. Take and close it all up. You got your little fortune teller. You can get somebody to pick a color, and then you get them to pick a number, depending on what they open. Pick a color. You go green, so Green. And then 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 2. Tomorrow. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks.